Today we gonna learn cooking verbs. So let's start. Break the eggs into a glass bowl. Pour. The girl is pouring some tea into the cup. Sip. She is sipping the hot tea slowly. Weigh. Weigh the flour on the scale. Measure. You can measure the water with a measuring cup. Spread. I like to spread butter on my toast in the morning. Put. Put the frying pan on the stove. Make. She is making pancakes. Layer. Layer the pancakes on the plate. Flip. He is flipping the food in the pan. Peel. Tom is peeling the potatoes. Dice. Dice the potatoes into cubes. Dip. I like to dip my fries in ketchup. Microwave. Microwave the soup for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Blend. Use a blender to blend the fruits into a smooth consistency. Sift. The chef is sifting the flour through a sieve. Roll. He is rolling the dough with a rolling pin. Toss. I love watching him toss the pizza dough in the air. Grate. I am grating the cheese for the pizza. Top. He is topping the pizza with lots of delicious ingredients. Cut. She is cutting the fish into small pieces. Prepare. Alice is preparing a taco. Sprinkle. Sprinkle the top of the dish with some pepper. Decorate. She is decorating the cake with fresh strawberries. Bake. Bake the pizza in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Cool. Let the pizza cool down for at least 4 minutes. Heat. Heat the oven for a few minutes before use. Roast. Roast the turkey for 2 hours. Refrigerate. Refrigerate the strawberries to keep them fresh. Freeze. Freeze the vegetables as fast as possible to maintain quality. Wash. Be sure to wash the fruits before eating them. Squeeze. She is squeezing a lemon. Sharpen. Mike is sharpening the knife. Add. Add seasoning for flavor. Carve. Carve the meat into slices. Slice. Be careful when you slice the vegetables. Stir. She is stirring the soup with the ladle. Taste. This soup tastes good. Melt. Melt the butter over low heat. Fry. I am frying an egg. Scramble. Everyone knows how to scramble eggs. Saute. Saute the vegetables in the olive oil. Uncork. Let's uncork the champagne and celebrate. Rinse. Rinse with cooled water. Drain. Drain the pasta before you eat it. Boil. The water is boiling. Light. Light the stove to cook your food. Cover. Cover the pot with a lid. Remove. Remove the pot from the heat. Turn off. Turn off the heat. Toast. Let's toast some bread in the toaster. Mix. Mix the batter together until it is smooth. Mash. Mash the potatoes with a potato masher. Tenderize. Tenderize the meat with a meat tenderizer. Barbecue. During the summer, we barbecue all the time. Steam. Steam the vegetables and fish until just tender. Chop. He is chopping the onions on the chopping board. For more videos, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.